everybody, welcome back to the channel. Hope everybody had a good Christmas. Have a happy new year that's coming up real soon. I told you guys I had some unboxings to do. I've got the FMS FCX24 Max Smasher. Truth be told, it's already been unboxed, but we're gonna unbox it now here anyways. I already did my running video on it. You can tell this isn't my garage or my workbench. I'm at my father-in-law's and mother-in-law's up in North Carolina. Was hoping to get some good creek footage and some maybe snow or ice. There's no snow, but we got some ice. We got some creeks. So it's been a good time up here so far getting some footage. But yeah, this guy here, like I said, I've already ran it. I'm really impressed with it. Like it a lot. It's a really nice setup truck. It's got the 2-speed transmission in it. The crawler mode works great on it. It's got some good speed for the size and what it is when you've got it in the second gear. As always, with every other FMS that I've purchased, they come with some great storage containers. I mean, you could travel with this thing and it'd be safe no matter what. This is what it looks like inside the box. Got your truck. It's a little bit dirty, like I said, we've already had it out. Comes with a package with your wheel tools, some washers, little rubber grommets, some replacement gears there, plastic, your USB charger, and your remote. Again, looks like FMS has a different remote for everything that they come out with, but there's your channel 3 that switches your first gear and second gear. I did discover that it looks like you have to hit the bind light to turn the lights on, so if you get this and can't figure out why the lights aren't coming on, I think it's just the bind light. Also, make sure in your remote that you've got fresh batteries, because I did not have fresh batteries. And I thought I was having binding issues. Turned out it just needed fresh batteries. Here's your decal kit that comes with it. You got white and color logos of the Max Smasher. I wanted to order the white truck after I ran this for the first time just because I was so impressed with it. I really want another one. This is my son's truck. I wanted one for myself, but they are sold out everywhere as far as I can tell. So if you can get a hold of one this late in the year, then you're lucky. But this is it. This is the Smasher. I'll show you real quick underneath here. I like how the body comes off. It's those 2 white clips. You just pinch them together, front and back. Comes off real easy. Basic setup inside of here. 380 battery. I'm going to look and see what my other batteries are at home. I might have a little bit bigger battery to put in there, but you got your 2-in-1 ESC speed controllers, 2 servos in there. Other than that, pretty basic, but nice suspension on it. Tires are soft and nice. Really nice truck. Liking it so far. Let's go ahead, get to the run video.